This video guide will provide you with instructions to get rid of verified extensions pop-up. The pop-up promotes a special Add Access extension for Google Chrome. The developers claim that by installing these extensions, you'll be able to watch some free HD streaming videos in the 4K resolution. Now, maybe it is true, maybe you will be able to watch some videos like that, but the problem is that this extension additionally hijacks some important browser settings. So when you add the extension to the Google Chrome, you may notice that indeed this Access extension controls a lot of important settings. It's a mistake to add this extension. However, if it has been done, I recommend that you get rid of it from your Google Chrome. For this purpose, go to the browser menu, click on More Tools and choose Extensions. Now find this Access extension, disable and remove it. This is as simple as it can be. Now, another important step, I believe, is that you scan your Mac with the reliable security program named Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get the fresh copy of it on the official website combocleaner.com and use this download button to download the software. Once the program is downloaded and installed, you may start it from the Launchpad. This is how it looks like. So, click on Start Combo Scan button and the program will begin free scanning, free analysis and investigation of your Mac. This is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. As you see, the antivirus section reveals 19 threads found during the scanning. So you may go to this antivirus part and click on Review Results link. This will automatically reveal all threads found during the scanning, and you will be able to find the information about where exactly these threads are located. So afterwards, you may go to the Finder, locate each specific thread, open its location, and remove each thread one at a time. As we said, Combo Cleaner Trial works as a free scanner. It gives a detailed, full report about the location of threads, their quantity, and you may remove these threads manually by going to the specific thread location or automatically, however, with the premium license of the program only.